Right, everybody, we're live to the interweb. Yay.
When these shoes were new, it was how do you do? It was whiskey and telling your tale.
I don't know if you noticed, if you've signed up for live stream, that Ronnie Scott's jazz club down in London, they also live stream on livestream.com, so we're in good company.
And all of my brothers that I've met on the way, they were drinking by night, they were drinking by day. Now restore to my eyes what was clear and was bright, and take me out drinking tonight. Oh, take me out drinking tonight.
Over the last 14 weeks, we've had people watching in from Brisbane, Australia. We've had lots of people from Australia, actually. We've had people from Canada, we've had people from America, we've had people from all over Europe. What did you say? Germany, Holland, France. So yeah, we've been pretty international, and many of those people have been to Ayr at some point as well, or have got family here. And so thank you, Bob, for making this happen.
Now restore to my eyes what was clear and was bright, and take me out drinking